Start this exercise standing with your barbell resting firmly on your shoulders. Inhale as you make a large step forward, catching your momentum with your front leg and performing a lunge. Exhale, exploding up and stepping through with your back leg. Inhale as you come back down into your lunge position. This exercise is the Barbell Traveling Lunge. It's a solid exercise to get your quads, your glutes, and your hamstrings working well together and challenging your balance and stability. I've got a barbell and I've got gravity. Let's get into it. So the barbell lunge is a powerful lower leg exercise, and Katie is using her glutes and her quads to power herself up and to catch this going down. I want you to notice that she's not crashing her knee into the ground as she comes down. And that's really bad for your patellar tendon, and so in this position, it's so important to keep the tension in your muscles and to stay controlled the whole time. Katie's also keeping her chest and shoulders up really tall and not falling forward in her lunge. Doing a great job, Katie. Keep up the good work.